Are you stuck in a place where you want to learn but have no idea where to start? You open YouTube and there are thousands of tutorials. You search on Google and there are thousands of articles. But which one is right for you? In what order? How long will it take? Nobody tells you. PathBee gives you one clear thing: your personalized path. Just type in the skill you want to learn, and based on your current level, PathBee creates a day-by-day roadmap tailored just for you. It doesn't just stop at roadmaps. It tracks your daily progress, keeps your streaks alive, and connects you with people learning the same skill, right inside PathBee. Everyone learns, but not everyone reaches their destination. The only difference is having the right path. To step out of the crowd and find your own direction, stay with PathBee. Know what to learn, know what's next.